Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to teach you Science chapter 9. Yeah, what does it contain? Children, have you ever seen air? Give answer. आपने कभी air को देखा है? No. We cannot see air. We can only feel the air. Air is all around us, even in the room where you are sitting, but it cannot be seen, felt, tasted, or smelled. Unless it is dirty, we cannot see the air when it is clean, but we can feel the air when it moves and when wind blows. We can even hear it when it moves very fast. Air contains water vapor, smoke, dust, and germs. What is water vapor? Have you ever seen steam coming out of boiling water? This steam is water vapor. Air also contains water vapor. Water vapor is very important for rain. Without water vapor, we would have no rain. Let's do some simple activity. Pour some water on the floor. It become dry after some time. Next, mop your floor with wet duster. It become dry after some time. Hang some wet cloth on a cloth line in the open. They become dry after some time. How it is possible? Where does the water in the above activity go? Water from the floor, bed cloth change into water vapor and mix with the air. When sunlight falls on the cloth, the water become a water vapors. Simply, the heat of the sun warm up the water in the ocean, river, lake, tank, and pond. This water also change into water vapor and goes into the air. Thus, air contain water vapor. Smoke, burning rubbish, wood, leaves, firecrackers, and plastic give out smoke. Smoke also come out from the factories, chimneys, and running vehicle. Many a time we see smoke. After some time the smoke disappear. Where does this smoke go? वो कहाँ चला जाता है smoke? It it mix with the air. Thus air contain smoke. Thus air contains smoke. Dust and germs. We sweep our home and dust the furniture, door, etc. Dust particles rise up and mix with the air. Vehicle move along the road, dust particles rise and above the ground and mix with the air. Then a sick person cough or vomit. Germs mix with the air. Thus air contain dust and germs. We need fresh air to breathe. Smoke, dust and germs make the air dirty or impure. Garbage produce foul gases and germs which make the air impure. Breathing impure air is harmful to us. जब हम इस harmful एयर को इनहेल करते हैं या ब्रीथ करते हैं तो इनके साथ हमारे बॉडी में डस्ट जर्म्स भी इनटेक हो जाते हैं. When we breathe impure air, we begin to cough. We have trouble in breathing. We inhale germs and fall sick. Clean and fresh air. Plant make the air clean, so we should grow more and more tree. We should keep the wire netted door and window open to let in fresh air. We should stop burning garbage. We should make proper disposal water material and keep the house clean. We should control the smoke from factories. We should use tall chimney in the house and the factory. Vehicles should check for pollution regularly. We should not cover our face when we sleep. Whenever we cough or sneeze, we should cover our mouth with a handkerchief. This will prevent the germs from spreading in the air. In this chapter, air contain water vapor, smoke, dust and germ. Student, read this chapter again. Do read it, do practice of hard word and write the keyword in the notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.